everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Novo Bank account. So if you want to log into your Novo Bank account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type novo.co. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Novo. Here you can see button for get started. If you do not have an account, you can click on this button right over here. Here you can see options for business checking, solutions and resources. So if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on this option right over here. Now you'll be led to the official login page of Novo. Here you'll have to provide your email address and your password. First of all, enter your email address. Make sure to enter the email address that you had used while creating the Novo account. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset your password by simply clicking on reset your password. Now, after entering your email address and password, all you have to do is click on the login button right over here. After clicking on it, you'll be logged into your Novo account. So that is how you log into Novo Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.